Above the cliffs where legends sleep, over valleys wild and deep, shadow carved in golden light, guardian of ancient right, eyes that see through storm and flame, older than the clan's first name, silent watcher of the land, crowned by sky, by wind, by hand, feathers forged in dawn's first fire, heart of ash and lost empire. When the broken lose their throne, he rises alone. Eagle of the emerald throne, claim the sky that was your own. Through the thunder, through the stone, let your soaring shadow be known. Eagle of the emerald throne, from the ancient seed once sown, over hills of mist and bone, you reign alone. Where the battle banners fell, where the old kings broke their spell, still your wings remember how earth and sky once made their vow. From the ashes, from the cry, from the tear that would not dry, you ascend beyond the fear, freedom drawing near. Storm beneath your beating wings, echo of forgotten kings. When the dark devours the sun, you become the one. Eagle of the emerald throne, claim the sky that was your own. Through the thunder, through the stone, let your sovereign shadow be known. Eagle of the emerald throne, high above the blood and bone, in the wind your truth is thrown. You reign alone. If the crown should turn to dust, if the sword should break with rust, still the sky will call your name. Born of a wind, not